Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Evansville to near Orfordville to near Lake Somerset, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, South Beloit, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Clinton, Orfordville, Footville, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, Fulton, Newark, Magnolia, Tiffany, Hanover, Avalon, and Cooksville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior